Hi, Leah. I assume you mean this question here. The average cost of a house in Canada grew from $274,711 in January 2009 to $388,553 in January 2014. What is the average annual rate of percentage increase during that period? So, since there are 5 years, from 2009 to 2014, then we know in our formula that that n is 5. So let's go here. Let's do that. So that is 5 there. So we know our formula, the geometric mean is equal to the nth root. We call it the nth root. So since it's 5 years, it's the fifth root, like that. The value at the beginning, so at the end, sorry, is 388,553, and the value at the beginning on the bottom, 274,711. And then you subtract 1 at the end. So here's a formula, as you can see there. So it's the fifth root of 388,553 over 274,711 minus 1. You know that this is the same as 388,553 over 274,711. So instead of the fifth root, we can actually, since our calculator that we use it doesn't have a nth root button, we can bring it to the power 1/5. That's the same. They're equal. That's like saying uh, uh, the square root of 49. That's the same as 49 to the power 1/2. Because when you don't see that in there, that's a square root, right? So that means the same thing. So we're going to use our calculator. Take our calculator. 388,553 divided by 274,711 equals. So that's this divided by 274,711. I'm going to bring it to the power 1/5. So we press the exponent button. This is the exponent button above the 9 right there. Y to the power of x. So I'm bringing that to the exponent of 5, but I don't want to bring it to the power of 5. I want to bring it to the power of 1/5. So when I press 5, I immediately press 1 over x, which makes it 1/5. So I've brought it to the exponent of 1 over 5. That equals that minus 1, and that's our answer, 0.0718. So if you want that in percent, you times it by 100. So we know that that's a 7.18% increase. Okay, and I assume that's what you're asking. Percent. Okay.